Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku Basalan, May 15, 2024, 4-star Sudoku. Column I, column G, and fourth row be a pair numbers 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells, then it will come in one of these cells. Sixth row we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column H, column I, we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Column C, column B, we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. First row we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells, then 3 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. First row we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, then 3 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. First row and first grade and fourth grade, sixth row and eighth row we get pair numbers 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Seventh row we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. First, third grade and first grade we have pair numbers 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Third row we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column E we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column I, column G, third row we get pair numbers 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Second row we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Seventh row, eighth row we get pair numbers 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. The ninth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. Third row we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. The ninth grade, we can confirm 3 also here. Column I, we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. 6th row we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column I, only 1 number is remaining, 4, 4 is confirmed here. Third grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 8. Third row we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells. Second row we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then third grade, column G, only 1 number is remaining, 8, 8 is confirmed here. Second row we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, then 3 is confirmed here. Then third row, only 1 number is remaining, 4, 4 is confirmed here. First grade and first row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 8, 9. Column A, we have 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column C, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. First row and first grid, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column A, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Fifth row we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column C, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. And fourth grade, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then fourth grade, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column B and 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 9, 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Eighth row we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Eighth row, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column F, and 6th row we have pair numbers 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 4th row we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 4th row we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 4th row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column F, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column F, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Sorry. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 7th grade, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 9th row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 9th row, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column F, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 8th grade and 7th row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Column D, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column B, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 5th grade and 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 3. It will come in one of these cells. Column E, we have 3 and 4, so 3 and 4 can't come in this cell, it will come in one of these cells. Column F, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 5th grade and 6th row, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.